In front of me is REDMI Pad 2, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, and when you're ready, select Font Settings. Here you can operate this slider to adjust font size and checkout preview at the top. Once you've finished, just go back and your changes will be automatically applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!